Hi, my name is Jean by the name of JPH Productions, man. JPH Productions here. Today, I'm gonna show you guys I went on my backyard, man, shooting on the wild field, lady ducks. I've been like shooting with this lens. Remember I got a review, then I do with this lens, but I wasn't give any detail exactly. I go straight to the foliage, but the detail about how it function, how it look like. If you're looking at it right here in the back of it, there's a sear, and that's very good. You know, there's a sear there. That means when it's raining and stuff like that, it's good. Waterproof. I mean, water not gonna get to your lens and to your camera. And then you got it right here. This button, you can customize your own preset right here on this button here. And you got autofocus and manual focus, you know, and they got a rock stabilizer too. You turn it on, stabilizer, and pretty cool. Oh yeah, plus right here, there's a lock button here. If you zoom, try to zoom, that's good. But right here, if you like it, you cannot zoom right here. There's a little button here. And that's all so far about it. But I take that lens and my camera on the field to filming those birds in the morning. It was early, 1:07, but check it out, man. You know, tell me what you think. But all those foliage you're gonna see, all those pictures that I'm taking, the raw foliage straight from the camera, and then you see it. Anytime I take the picture, you see it straight. No color corrections, no fixing anything on Adobe Lightroom or nothing. I don't do nothing, just straight from the camera and filming it just like that. Just take a look, man. Today is the day I'm gonna shooting a couple ducks on the pond. Wake up in the morning, man, you got a beautiful pond like that, you got ducks, you got all those things. Man, I got a lot of subject I can put on my phone right now. And I'm using Sony A7 III, and with my lens is 70 by 350 millimeter. That means you can go, you see them all the way far away, all the way on those little things. I can zoom all the way to 350 millimeter and a nice crystal clear image. Let me put them together. Look at those ducks right here. Woo. Man, there's some cool, beautiful shot of those ducks right here. But right now, what I'm trying to do, if they can go straight, if they can go by the sun, you know, the color, the goalie color, the gold color of the sun. If I can shoot in a couple cool things, it would be so cool. And then especially when you're shooting like very low, you don't want to bend your back. The best thing what I do, I use this and put it down like this, tell it like this. It's a beautiful shot, man. So cool, but I wish those ducks can go straight by. Oh, it seems like they're going. I need like the reflector of the sun rise up. Oh, let me stop talking. I don't want to miss that shot. Man, I got a couple cool shots, man. I like when they open their rings like this on the water, and then you got like a water splashing and everything. That's beautiful, man. You know, you wake up in the morning, you got a beautiful yard like this, a pond with wild ducks. Man, you got a lot of things to shooting. It's not like you cannot say there's nothing to do with your camera. Take your camera, man, go out there shooting, do something, and then bring it to your computer. Why not? If it's good, it's good. But remember, you're going to shooting for good stuff. Take your time, get them done. Let me take a couple more. As you guys can see, that's what I love about this lens, man. Look at how far. Look at how far, man, is those ducks, man. Far. And then when I'm looking at my viewfinder, just like that thing close to my face right here, because I push all the way to 350mm straight to it. Try to swim in between the bushes and get the ducks coming between. You got the, you know, how you calling bouquet. But in French they say bouquet. It's just like flower, bouquet. But that's what I was going to try to achieve. But between all those branches, all those leaves, if the ducks go between that where I was focusing, it will give you a nice bouquet from the leaves and then focus on the ducks. Let me try to see if I can get it. I think I got enough pictures, man. I got a lot. You will see the difference when I take them with manual focus, like I was on manual focus, and some of them I take them with autofocus. And there's manual focus because I really want to see, you know, the bokeh kind of blurriness in front of the lens, but you still focus on the birds. That's it, great. And then very low ground picture taking, man, that's beautiful. It seems like there's ducks waiting for me, man. Let me try. It seems like anytime I'm moving, they're coming back to me, and that's cool. Let me see if they're gonna follow me. And sometimes too, if I whistle those ducks, they know me very well. Every morning when I wake up, I whistle, give them food. Let me try to do that right now to see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm not gonna turn the camera off. I'm holding it from the tripod. I'm calling those ducks, but I'm holding my camera on one hand. Let's see if I got magic. I'm gonna call those ducks and give them food in the morning. Let me see if they're gonna come. If they're gonna make me feel embarrassed. I have to set up my camera here. today is the day I'm gonna feed the birds, and let's see how it goes. Let's see if the bird's not gonna make me feel bad. Set up everything here. I'm gonna call those birds and give them food. Go. Here we go. They're coming. Those birds know me very well. Look at a bunch of them coming. And that's the time I'm gonna take shot too. Pictures. You see, they know me very well. Soon I get up, they're flying too. I have to give them more food. They're gonna come back again. You know, those dogs know me very well. I'm a bird man. In the meantime, if you're looking at, let me plan the camera. If you're looking at my backyard, man, I got bird cage everywhere. Look, I got my bird cage. I got beautiful birds over there too. You guys have to be, you guys meet my birdies. Let me focus on the birdie. Come on, yes. I think that's cool. Everything manually, man. That's what I'm trying to do. There's one right here on the top. Look at her. Beautiful. But that's a female one. I think the crystal clear color right here. Everything manually, man. It's gonna focus on the fence, and that's not cool. But at least you guys get a little ideas. They're my birdies right here. You can see them in there. And again, I'm glad, guys, you're just taking your time just watching, you know, what I just showing you guys. If you love what you're seeing right now, just if you're the first time to this channel right now, don't forget to subscribe, man. And also, if you love what you're just seeing right now, just thumbs up. And yes, see you next time, man. Thanks for watching. Thank you.